hear a lot of people talking, saying that hip-hop is dead, or hip-hop is dying. How can that be, if hip-hop is inside you, and inside me? That's where it lives. Check it. How can hip-hop be deceased? Hip-hop is the streets. You can't possibly believe something so outlandish. Don't be naive. It's more than music. It's the air that we breathe, the way that we walk, the way that we talk. Check the books. Yeah, it started in New York. Now it got regions at war, pointing fingers, saying this falling off because of your North versus South, both hoping to win. It's like the Civil War all over again, but instead of flags and horses, it's Jags and Porsches. Who getting money? That's who the boss is. Yeah, I refuse to choose sides. The powers that be don't give a fuck who dies. Hip-hop and the industry are two different worlds. Matter of fact, they like two different girls. One is in touch with her culture, okay. The other one is just a money-hungry vulture. You can't blame her. Why you think they name her? The music business. Why even complain, huh? What is this, yo? It's cake, dummy. It's a business. Of course they wanna make money. Don't take it personal, but it's never been a skill thing. I'm saying, look at the Sugar Hill Gang. It was a hit, but word is Cavs wrote it. Sylvia Robinson heard it. That's when it exploded. I'm a student of the culture. I study the books. These people don't want verses. They study the hooks. Can I sing along to it? Bounce and move to it? Is it catchy enough for bitches to groove to it? I love lyrics and hearing a good rhyme, but hip-hop is also about having a good time. It's the difference between beefing and battling. Whole gins just babbling. For the new generation of hip-hop kids, let me break down what hip-hop is. A dope MC rocking the mic, that's hip-hop. When graph artists go bombing at night, that's hip-hop. A b-boy displaying his tricks, that's hip-hop. The DJ crossfade in the mix, that's hip-hop. The government don't wanna listen, that's hip-hop. Crooked-ass politicians, that's hip-hop. A fucked-up public school system, that's hip-hop. Knowledge of self and wisdom, that's hip-hop. 4 chicken wings and fried rice, that's hip-hop. The source giving me 5 mics, that's hip-hop. Shooting dice out on the block, that's hip-hop. For no reason, harassed by the cops, that's hip-hop. New kicks on the first day of school, that's hip-hop. Summertime at the city pool, that's hip-hop. Stealing your neighbor's cable, that's hip-hop. Starting to end